From dock fishing.
Babe, got one. First bass of the trip.
To actually swimming in the water to catch the fish.
But I'm on my tippy toes right here, so I think I'm gonna drop off. I'm barely staying up. Underwater shot.
And to slay nice big bass off the boat.
Oh my gosh. Better one, I think. Oh, we're gonna need net. That's a good spot.
Bass Lake has it all.
Good job, babe. You see him looking at us under the dock?
Oh yeah.
He's getting mad at me. Babe, got one. Your color works. This is your rod. You want to reel it?
No, you get it, boo.
Are you sure? You can totally reel him in if you want.
You get it, boo.
It's a largie. Not a bad one.
Yay!
Woo! Not a bad one. There we go. It's a little slab. First bass of 2026 and hopefully many more.
Hi, fishy. I got to kiss it.
Oh, I do that all the time. All right, first bass of 2026. Down he goes. All right. Now I taste that fish. Tastes good.
Cheers to many more fish.
Thank you.
Babe.
Oh my gosh. I'm on my way. Hold it. No, don't reel it too high. Lilac is on, guys. Nice. Oh, you can pull that one up. You had a big bass chasing it, trying to eat it. Nice, babe.
Little one, but I got him.
Nice.
Cool. What's up, guys?
I might have like tangled my setup, but it's so worth it. Under the tongue. Lilac with her first bass at 2026.
Whee!
Nice, babe.
At least I caught one.
Good job, babe. Look at freaking baby dinks, crazy. Oh, it's a spot. Babe, my fluke is bigger than the freaking fish. Aggressive. Let me take a look. It happens. Let me take a look at this. What do we got here? What the heck?
I'm gonna move over here, this way.
Sounds good. I'm gonna see if I can get this thing out. We'll see. I might need a retie. What the heck? Yeah, it's all good. That was it. It's probably just the line. Oh, I'm on your line. No, you're good. You're good. There you go. Should be good. Just make sure the line is tight. Babe, I just missed a 5.
Where was it?
In that pocket. I saw the roll. Look, I saw the freaking roll. I pulled it right out of its mouth.
Nice bass right here.
Dude, I just missed that one.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I saw it roll on it, and then it pulled my fluke all the way down to the EWG part. How big do you think he is?
I would say maybe like a good, maybe like a 12, 13.
No way.
12, 13 incher.
Okay, all right, yeah.
Pounder.
I was gonna say, I'm like, no way, man. I'm like, no way, I just missed a 12. 12, 13 incher. He knew what he was talking about. Oh.
Did you get?
Nothing. I hit the buoy. The worker's like, I saw that. You're banned. No! I love fluke fishing, man. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh. He had it in his mouth. I hooked him, babe. I hooked him. He's not going to eat that again. He literally got hooked and went, ouch. Ain't no way he bites again after being hooked, right? Let's see. Oh, he has it. Nope. He spit it out. It's gone. It's gone. There it is. Big, a little bit bigger.
A little bit. He's mad.
Yeah, he's pissed
He's really pissed.
because he got hooked like 5 times. Here's a baby dink though. There we go. Whoop. All right, babe, if I catch a fish on this cast, what do I get?
I'll give you 10 kisses.
10 kisses. All right, you heard it here. Oh, dude, that hit it like a freaking truck. I thought it was a big one. All right.
I'm figuring out a spot.
I casted that in a random spot though. Okay. Will that count as a kiss bass?
Yeah, I'll give you 10 kisses. Happy anniversary. honey.
Thank you, baby. I'll cast over here. I just don't want to cross no lines. Uh-oh, my line's tangled.
What?
Damn, I have a fish on too.
What happened?
Here.
No, get it.
Well, I was gonna give it to you.
No, boo, you get it.
I already caught so many.
It's okay. I want to catch my own.
Oh, sorry, buddy. You want to try this one? It,
No, I'm gonna
it's a higher level like bait, but once you get it down, it's really rewarding. Like it's just you have to like learn the different patterns and timing. But once you get it, look, you'll get them every cast. Like look, he has it in his mouth. Here, come here. Drop it. W booze. You got to be closer for the fight.
Thanks, boo.
Yeah, we'll get you a better fighter than that. A game set match. Brand new Fluke. Oh, jeez. Freaking dink, bro. I thought it was bigger than that. It's hooked on the bottom lip. Go. Better one. Ah, no, I thought he was bigger. You hit it like a freaking truck, dude.
Oh, you got it. Good job.
Oh, he's flopping. Gives you good luck. Bass is like, I don't like you. No. I just lured out a dink. I lured out a dink and then the big one chased the dink away from my bait. It's literally telling him don't eat it. Oh. Ah, dang it, the dink got it. Son of a biscuit. Now the big one really knows. I'm gonna throw him right back and he's gonna be like, told you. I'm gonna put him over here so he doesn't know. They're still hitting. He jumped out pretty good. He's not that big. Well, not bad. You hit that thing like hard. That was cool. Up it. There we go. Whoop. Doesn't get old, baby. Come on. But he tried wrapping me around a rope. Like he's like, Petty, we just don't got fishing like this around us. There's another dinks. Oh, all right. They are getting bigger though, to be fair. Like each one's getting bigger. Choop. Come on now. I got a whole freaking honey hole to myself. Oh, there's one. There we go. Thank you, babe. Male. I already smell like a fish, babe, from that one fish. Right off the freaking dock. Not a bad little guy. He hit it on the drop.
Dude.
Yeah. Oh no. That was right at my feet. That was right at my feet. I didn't even see him swipe it until I just saw my thing was gone. Choop. No, there's too many dinks. I just had about 10 little babies follow me. I want a big one. It's a baby. It's a freaking dink fest. Like, it's not the worst thing. Could be getting skunked, but... Oh my God, babe. This is double digit. Holy crap. Watch. If I get it on this, I'm like, I might be cooked, but... Oh, he's over here. Son of a biscuit, man. Dude, I'm telling you, babe, that was the biggest bass I've ever seen in this lake. I'm gonna head out, boys, but I just saw about a 8, 9, 10 pounder. Biggest bass I've ever seen, yeah.
Damn.
If you guys are going for bass, he's cruising around here, but I gotta head out. So I'm going hiking early. But yeah, I caught my fair share today, but that was the biggest one I've ever seen. Like in here.
I'm gonna catch me a PB here.
Oh, dude, yeah. I saw this stud just land a largie over here, so that's all it is, man.
Catch anything with me?
Yeah, I caught probably 40 today. I'm good.
Okay.
But dude, I saw like 8, 9, 10 pounder. I'm not even joking.
Oh, really?
I'm not even BSing, man.
Shit.
But we gotta hike. We're waking up at like 4 in the morning or
Okay.
driving to Yosemite. But man, yeah, no, it's great. Great meeting you, man.
You guys,
Hey, good luck.
You guys have a
Hopefully you
safe
get
trip,
them.
guys.
That's such a tease as we're leaving.